Hey guys, what's up? I hope all of you are doing fine. Now things are like okay, people have started moving on. So after a long time, I'm going out with my family, my brother, my mother. We all have thought, okay, we'll go for a small shopping. We have to buy few things, to yeah, I'll let you know where we are going. So come, let's go. So we are on our way. There is not much traffic here. The road is pretty clear. And as I told you, people have started moving on weekend. So even they will, want to chill. So yeah, we are on our way. There's no much distance from here. We'll be reaching in another 10 minutes hopefully. You can see. Yeah, all are taking the precautions of wearing masks. They have started going out shopping, chilling. This is after a long time, guys. I mean, really long time. I think it's been 8 months. So hopefully we will have fun today. Now we are going to park our car. So you can see it's so beautiful. So yeah, there are security checkings going on. So you can see here we are struggling to park our car. We're just figuring it out. Let's see. So you can see us, we are entering the mall. I hope by now you would have understood where we are. Everybody from Bengaluru and yeah, somebody who has come to Bengaluru will know this is our Phoenix Mall. So we are done with our shopping for the day. Not for the day actually, I hope for this month. Before the pandemic and all that, me and my mom, we used to come most of the weeks, like at least once in 2 weeks for sure we used to come to Phoenix. It's amazing. It's like such a stress buster. And small shoppings we used to do whenever we come. In case we do not have any shopping, we at least come do window shopping, and then we just go back, have food from the food court, just chill for 2 to 3 hours and go. But today, trust me, we finished our entire shopping in 1 or 1.5 hour max, because my brother had to do some shopping in Decathlon. As you can see, we are in front of Decathlon, so he has some shopping over there. So the time given for us was 1 hour, but we exceeded around 20 minutes and we finished it. So now, because of pandemic, it's been 8 months that we came to Phoenix, but we really enjoyed each and every moment over here. Phoenix, we really enjoyed. We could not go to VR, but yeah, it was nice. We did not have any food or not even a coffee today because of the situation, but it's okay. At least, after 8 months, it was like, wow, it was nice. You can see my brother coming with it after his shopping. Yeah, he hardly took 15 minutes, I believe. So he has come after his shopping. Now we are leaving home. He's looking up because it is drizzling and I'm still talking to you guys. He's like, why the hell don't you stop and go home? So see you guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye.